Hi, today I'm for the Nokia C32 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should hold just for a while the home screen with your finger, the empty space on the home screen, then tap to the widgets icon, and after that you'll see here all of the available applications with widgets you could add. For example, the calendar one, get two different types of the widgets. Just hold it for a while and just drag it to your home screen by this way. Where is it? Okay, let's add it once again. So calendar, hold the widget and drag it to the home screen. If you wanna resize the widget, you should hold it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. If you wanna remove it from the home screen, or just first let's try to move it on the screen or between the screens, so you should just hold and drag it by this way. And to remove it from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.